In the vast and unexplored universe hidden within a single drop of water, life reveals itself in forms both delicate and astonishing. Here, beneath the magnification of a microscope, we encounter a world that challenges everything we think we know about biology. A world where survival is measured in micrometers, and evolution plays out on a silent, microscopic stage. The organism before us is a unicellular protist, a transparent, oval-bodied creature gliding with remarkable precision through its liquid environment. To the human eye, it appears almost ghost-like, but within its single cell lies a remarkable system of structures that mirror the complexity of much larger organisms. Along the surface of its body, countless microscopic hairs. These cilia act as the creature's primary means of propulsion, allowing it to navigate through a dense ecosystem of bacteria, debris, and other microorganisms. At this scale, water behaves less like a flowing liquid and more like a thick gel. For the organism, movement requires not strength, but perfect synchronization, each cilium beating in harmony with the next. Inside the organism, a constellation of vacuoles, small circular compartments, perform essential functions. Some store nutrients, others break down food particles, while a few regulate the flow of water entering and leaving the cell. These compartments expand and contract rhythmically, maintaining the delicate internal balance required for survival. Though the organism has no brain, its internal chemistry allows it to sense changes in temperature, chemical signals, and even the presence of food. Near the center of its body, a curved feeding structure functions like a microscopic mouth. With each motion, it sweeps surrounding particles inward, bacteria, organic fragments, and microscopic detritus, drawing them into the cell. This feeding mechanism is the key to survival. All around it, life continues its silent dance. Tiny organisms drift in and out of view, some spherical, others elongated, each one representing a separate branch in the vast tree of microscopic life. These creatures form the foundation of aquatic ecosystems, recycling nutrients, producing oxygen, and sustaining algae, insects, fish, and even entire oceans. This organism, though small enough to fit hundreds within a grain of sand, is part of a lineage stretching back hundreds of millions of years. It has survived ice ages, volcanic eruptions, mass extinctions, and the rise and fall of countless species. Its existence is a reminder that life thrives not only in grand landscapes, but also in worlds invisible to us. Every structure inside this cell tells a story of adaptation, efficiency, and evolution. While humans rely on organs, tissues, and complex systems to survive, this microscopic creature performs every life function within a single chamber. It moves, feeds, senses, reproduces, and responds to its environment with remarkable precision. As we watch it drift through its microscopic landscape, a universe where complexity emerges from simplicity and where the boundaries of biology expand beyond our expectations. The next time you look at a drop of water, remember within that drop exists an entire world, a world filled with predators and prey, builders and destroyers, ancient survivors and newly formed species, a world that has shaped the earth from the very beginning, silently, persistently, beautifully. This microscopic organism is not merely a curiosity, it is a reminder of life's resilience, and of the endless mysteries still waiting to be discovered beneath the surface of our everyday world. For more journeys into the hidden realms of nature, from the smallest organisms to the largest ecosystems, subscribe to the channel. Together, we'll continue exploring the wonders that science is only beginning to understand.